Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be sharing with you a simple DIY on how you can gain extra butts and hips using fenugreek seed. Very easy and organic way to gain extra hips. So let's get started. So here's the fenugreek seed I will be using. I'm using like 2 to 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seed. This is the fenugreek I'm using. I bought the organic one from Amazon. So next I'm going to put my fenugreek in a jar or a container, just like this. You're a pretty fine girl and have a pretty fine waist on her. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste on her. So everything has gone into my container now. Now I'm going to add in water. You can add in any amount of water you feel is enough for the quantity you want. Note, there's another way you can make this too. You can actually boil your water and put in like 2 or 3 tablespoons of fenugreek and boil for at least 10-15 minutes. But this method I'm using, I'm going to leave this to ferment overnight. Yes. So guys, this is the next day evening, almost about 24 hours later. So I'm just going to give it a bit of a shake. As you can see, the color has changed. It's kind of yellowish. This is just like a tea. So what we're going to do now is pour a bit in this glass and drink from it. It's good to drink it every morning and before going to bed. The taste is not that palatable, but it is drinkable. It is not bitter, it is just neutral, guys. So it's very healthy, has a lot of benefits which I'll be listing in the description box below. This is a natural and organic way to grow your butt and your boobs, your hips naturally. A disclaimer please, so the fact that this works for me and some others doesn't mean it's going to work for you too. So after trying it maybe from the 7th to 10 days or more and you haven't seen any result, or you're having some kind of side effect to this, you have to discontinue it. But I can assure you that this is all natural and it works good. So I'll be showing you a short clip of where I am drinking this, because I don't want to put out something that I don't take. It's not bitter, it's not sweet, it's just there. Yeah. So guys, that is all. Works like magic.